Hi guys, welcome to my Lorentix channel. I have a new dog car seat cover to show you. And I know your dog doesn't feel bad for having dirty, scratched or wet your car seats. This is the package. My name is Lorena and my dog is Candy. Welcome to subscribe if you are new today. Let's open the package together. Inside comes this cardboard with instructions. Also these black straps. And the cover is black with white stitching, leather details, waterproof and scratch proof. I'm going to open it. It's large. It has a mesh window. It has pockets to store your dog things and the straps for installation inside the car. It also has these rings for a hammock use, and it has a zipper to use it on back seats, trunk and co-pilot. You want to install it with me? Let's go. We are going to place the straps in the back seats. Now I will fold this part of both ends of the cover. I will attach these straps from the mesh window cover to the front seats, and it will look like this. Now I'm gonna use the straps to hook them on the rings to turn this cover into hammock. You can do this at both ends, okay? And look how it fits. Take a close look at the pockets and the mesh window. And if you don't want this window, don't worry, you can open the zipper and remove it completely. In this part of the seat, you have two openings with nice cover to place a car seat belt. This dog car seat cover is for back seats, trunk, and also for co-pilot. You only have to open the zipper and remove it. We are going to place it in the front. So now your dog can be your co-pilot. It's awesome, right? And right here is Candy. I think she approved the new dog car seat cover. I will hook her seat belt so you can see how safe she's going. Guys, I hope you liked this product. The Amazon purchase link is in the description box of this video. Follow me on my social media, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends and family. Bye bye!